How to fix your IT administrator has limited access on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are not able to perform various actions on your Windows due to the administrator limited access error, here is a fix that you can apply. But before that, make sure to export the backup for this access. For doing so, open the registry editor. For that, you can either open Windows plus Run tab and then search in regedit or simply search for registry editor in the search box. Once you open the registry editor, what you have to do next is export. To export, click on the file option on the top left corner and then export. Once you tap on export, it will open the location on your computer. Choose the location and name it file as the date on which you have backed up. Once you have saved the changes, you can close it. Now moving on with the solution, we have to delete some of the access or the restriction imposed on the administrator. To do so, open command prompt but run it as administrator. Or you could also open terminal as an administrator. Once that is done, here are a list of commands that is provided on the description box. Make sure to copy each and every command and paste it one by one on the command prompt. Once you have completed all the commands, you can restart your computer and you will notice that the issue has been fixed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.